guys, vlog muna tayo ngayon guys. So ito ang Surigao City guys, Surigao City, Bonifacio River. Ganda dito guys. Ang vlog natin ngayon is lipat tayo ng Kalabaw. So guys, oh, napakaganda dito. Napakaganda yung view dito guys. Ito yung Kalabaw namin guys. Ito yung Shanghai namin guys. Oh, ang ganda na dito guys. Kasi may riprap na guys, oh. Yung Kalabaw namin na isa guys. Yan. Guys, pwede kayo ditong mangisda guys, oh. Mamingwit guys. Okay guys, short video lang to guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.